Hello everyone, my name is Varshini. I am a 2024 graduate and I have graduated with CSC Cybersecurity Specialization. I have taken this course in August 2024. I have taken Java full stack course in Jspiders. I have learned Java from Vivek sir and Pavan sir, and web technology from Reshma ma'am, and SQL from Viber sir. They are very supportive and patient. They are very supportive, and they are extraordinary trainers. If you have any doubts, if you want any suggestions, we can go there and we can ask them. They are very supportive. When it comes to mocks and grooming sessions, mocks are very important, where we can overcome our stage fear, and we can go to the real interviews with the confidence. And sessions when it comes to grooming sessions, it's a place where we can revise all important topics in one go. So we must attend the grooming sessions. It's very important and it's very helpful. When it comes to HRs and Jspiders, they are very supportive. If I have any doubts regarding placements, regarding institutes and classes timings, everything, I go back to them and ask them. They are very supportive and they'll give answers. I have completed this course this year.